students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. You're healthy and safe. Good morning to all of you. I can see a lot of people online. Sandeep, Ritika, Mohit, Abhiraj, Aparna, Nikita Megwal, Kusum, Gaga, Ayushi, Dixit. Good morning to all of you children. And in today's session, we'll be continuing our class. The chapter tables and shares. In the previous sessions, we have completed a part of the lesson. Not wasting much of your time, uh, we will start. I want all of you children come to page number 123. Children, I want you all to come to page number 123. Children, when you all are on page number 123, please give me a thumbs up or just write Y in the comment section so that I will believe that we are good to go with the class and we'll start the topic. I want to start the topic, how many subtopic, how many cats will be there. I hope the audio and video is clear to you children. I will read the question with you and then we will go to the solution of the question. Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats? How many cats are there in the box? So, children, on page number 123, can you see there's a drawing, right? There's a drawing. There's a wooden box, and you see, what you can see is only the legs of the cat. There are some black cats and there's some white cats, and Gayatri was only able to count the number of legs of the cats. My God, Prajwal, 7 cats. Okay, let us see if Prajwal has given the correct answer on the page. Good morning. And when you joined the class, Valentine, Ananya Singh, good morning, Bache. Children who joined us just a few seconds before, please come to page number 123 and we are taking the subtopic how many cats. I'm taking the subtopic how many cats with you. Okay, so Gayatri is a bit confused. She has a question. You see, there's a dialogue box, and in the dialogue box, she has asked a question. So 8 legs means 2 cats, and 12 legs means dash cats. So we have to answer her question. We have to help her to find the answer for the question, right? Which is raised by her. So children, as we all know that okay. So on page number 123, or if you see, there is a table. There is a table which has got two. There is a table which has got 2 rows, and in every there is a table which has got 2 rows, and in one row there is a question how many legs. The first row has the question how many legs, and the second row has the question how many cats. So the answer is made this table. Okay, children, there is nothing to be done in your notebook. What I am doing is discussing a question of your textbook only. So this will be a part of our discussion only. Yes. So there are like how many legs? How many legs? How many cats? How many legs and how many cats? So children, first we will try to find the we try to solve the doubt of biology by the means of observation. Okay. We first use our observation to find the answer to the question by looking at the pattern, making the pattern by ourselves, and then we go how we can calculate fast. Oh, Ashita Sharma, she has come up with an answer. Let's see whether the answer is correct or not. Yes, we continue with the pattern. So 4, 8, and 12. 4, 8, 12, and 1, 2. So children, what do we observe? How is the pattern going? We see that the pattern goes like this. So when we move from 4 to 8, then the number, how many legs are there? Then we increase the number of legs by 4, right? 4 में 4 ऐड करेंगे we get 8, 8 में 4 ऐड करेंगे we get 12. So continuing in the same fashion, okay, continuing in the same pattern, we will add another 4. 12 plus 4 gives 15, 15 plus 4 gives 20, 20 plus 4 gives 24, 24 plus 4 gives 28, 28 plus 4 gives us 32, right? And how will we go? How will we proceed further on this row? How many cats? So if there are 4 legs by 1, the number of legs will become double, right? If there are 4 legs for one cat, there will be 8 legs for 2 cats, correct? Now we will increase the number of how many cats are there. Since we are adding 1 every time, we will add 1 in the next block. We will each time add 1 in every block. So 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus. Okay, children. So by observation, by completing this pattern, we understand that if there is legs, if there are 2 cats, then there will be 8 legs. If there are 3 cats, then the total number of legs will be 12. If the cats are 4, the total number of legs will be 16. Signal problem. Prajwal, just try to refresh your page. Go to the link that was shared on WhatsApp with you and come again on the same link. Now, so by observing this and by observing this table, we will try to answer the questions that follow. So, in your textbook, they asked कि अगर 28 legs are there, if 28 legs are there, if 28 legs are there, it will mean how many cats, right? So from the table we get that if there are 28 legs, if there are 28 legs, it means that there are 7 cats. Now we will go to the following question. The question which follows, there are 2 questions on page number 123 which follows this question, right? We will try to solve them. I will read the question with you. I will read the question for you and then we try to solve, get the answer to this question. And one more thing to do. One more thing I would like to explain. This was हमने यहाँ पे टेबल बना के आंसर फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश की है. बट जो रिलेशनशिप हम लोग डेवलप करते हैं वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट? जिस तरह से हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट के केस में टोटल का केस लिया हमें दिया हुआ है, इट इज बेसिकली the total length. यहाँ पे हमें जो चीज दिया हुआ है इसमें we are discussing length. Then will be some number of cats. Will be some number of cats and number of legs of each. Number of legs with one cat. Number of legs with one cat and total legs will be formed. This answer will be formed by multiplying number of legs with one cat with number of cats, right? तो अभी अभी हमने एक क्वेश्चन किया था which said कि अगर 28 legs हैं तो बताओ we know that every cat will have 4 legs. Okay, every cat the number of legs with one cat will be 4, right? We have to find कि कितनी cats होंगी to make 28 legs in total, right? So how will I come up? I know that 28 number is formed by multiplying 4 with some other numbers, right? So what will I do? When I have to get this piece, any of these numbers, I always divide the bigger number, that is the total number, by the individual numbers, right? So either it should be if you are given the number of legs with one cat, you divide it by that, and you will get the number of cats. Or if number of cats is given to you, if the number of cats is given to you, and you are asked number of legs with one cat, you can find it by dividing 28 by number of cats. So 28 divided by 4, right? So how is 28 divided by 4? Which gives 4 7 28 and 0 remainder. So we get to know that there were 7 cats. This is to the division method. This is to the division method. Has everyone understood this method of getting to the answer? I hope everyone has understood this method of arriving at the answer. Students, I'm happy that you understand the method of coming to the method of arriving at the answer in one go. And so if the question was reversed, right? If the question was reversed, you did not know. In the first question, we were to find the number of cats. Had the number of cats been given to you? If the number of cats had been given to you, suppose if I assume that the number of I assume I am giving you a question right now, or an example. I assume that there are 32 legs. If there were 32 legs, and I say to you, I give you the information that there are 8 cats. There are 8 cats, and in total there are 32 legs. So can you calculate the number of legs of the cat, number of legs of each cat, the number of legs with one cat. So with cat, we know that there are 8 cats. So we will We will divide the total legs by number of cats. We will divide total legs by the number of cats. So we will find the answer. Number each what we will find? We will be able to find number of legs of with one cat. So total 32 legs were there. Number of cats was 8. So how many legs will each cat have? 8 4 are 32. 8 4 are 32. So each cat will have 4 legs. I hope this is clear to you, children. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, children. Now coming to the question that is there in your textbook. I want you to take these two questions as your classwork. Children, I want you to take these two questions. हमने पता किया था ना कि अगर 28 legs हैं तो how many cats will be there? If 28 legs are there, how many cats will be there? There are two questions which follow. There are two questions which follow your the same question, 28 legs are a question, and I want these two questions to be taken as your classwork. Put a date, add a date to your notebook, and then write these questions in your notebook, and I will give you the solution right now. Now the first question says, Willow has kept his chickens in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? How many chickens are there? So children, I will write the solution to the first question. Willow has counted the number of legs. So when he counted the number of legs, the total number of legs that he counted was, when he counted there were 28 legs. Now, children, always remember this, that total is formed by each and number of chickens. Like, suppose we are dealing with legs. So legs with each chicken, right? And number of chickens. This is for your information. You do not have to write it in your book. We are just going by the division method to write. We are taking the number of chickens. We should know the length of each. If we know the length of legs with one chicken, then we'll be able to find the number of chickens that are present, right? So we will write number of legs with one chicken. With one chicken. Children, we all know how many legs does a chicken have? How many legs does a chicken have? Yes, so many people have come up with the answer. I'm glad you take the questions with this level of seriousness and with a lot of enthusiasm you try to give the answers before we complete the question. Before we complete the question. So number of legs with one chicken, we know that a chicken has 2 legs, right? Each chicken will have 2 legs. Each chicken will have 2 legs. Number of legs with one chicken and number of legs with one chicken, that is 2. And so we have to find how many chickens are there. Number of chickens. So number of chickens is equal to, we divide the total by number of legs with each chicken. We know if we divide 28, when I divide 28 by 2, 2 ones are 2, what the answer that I get is 14. Children, please write the solution in your notebook. Please take a few seconds to write this question, the answer. Leave the space for the question, children. You can write the question in your notebook. At your home, please write the solution of the answer in your notebook. Okay. Coming to the next question, children. Coming to the next question, children. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. How many weeks was she away from the school? Now, children, you are given that she did not go to the school for 21 days. So you are given 21 days, which is the total number of days for which she did not go to school. And the question is, how many weeks was she away from school? How many weeks? The number of weeks for which she did not go to school. एग्जाम में कौन कौन सा टॉपिक आएगा? बच्चे ऑनलाइन एग्जाम होगा, उसका सिलेबस मैं आज व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर दूंगी आपसे, और चैप्टर के जो नंबर है वो शेयर कर दूंगी. So children, writing the solution of the same over here. So total number of days, total number of days, total number of days, Leela did not go to school. Total number of days for which Leela did not go to school is given us that it is 21 days. Okay? 21 days. फिर उसके बाद में हाँ, we will write number of days in each week. Number of days in 1 week. Because जब हम टोटल को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज को नंबर ऑफ डेज इन 1 वीक से डिवाइड करेंगे, तब जाके हमें नंबर ऑफ वीक मिलेंगे. The same procedure as we did for total number of days, and we had to find number of chickens. Number of days in 1 week, and we all know that in 1 week there are 7 days. In 1 week there are 7 days. So number of days in 1 week is 7 days. So number so she was away from she was away from school. She was away from school. 21 by 7. 21. Total of 21, 21 days. By 7 days, which is in each week, there are 7 days. So we will get the answer. 21 divided by 7. We know 7 3 are 21. 7 3 are 21. So for 3 weeks, she was away from school. I hope everyone has understood the explanation. If there are any doubts, please let me know that you. Okay. We will be dealing with the topic jumping animals. We move forward to the next subtopic. Children, please share with me. Please take some. Please take a little space to share the photos of your homework with me on WhatsApp. I'd be highly grateful to you if you could share with me the pictures of your homework because it happens that I give you homework. I want you to respond. I want to see how many people have done their homework, and whether you are on the right track or not. Are you making some mistakes? So children, please try to share your work with me on WhatsApp. Jumping animals. We are going to be with the first topic, jumping with animals. Jumping animals. Okay. Rather than making there's a snake given on there is a snake given in your textbook, and you can use the snake. You can use this snake to know if you take some jumps, where will you land up? Where will you land up if you take some number of jumps? So I will not be making a snake on the blackboard. What I will do is I will make I just go by the block. I will go by the block. observe what I will be doing right now. So there's a cat. There's a cat, and there's a very old cat. Okay, so she's very old, and every time she's able to move, she will take she takes just 3 steps. Right? She's on the zero position. She's on the position zero. Okay, and she's quite old, and every time she jumps, every time that she jumps, these are basically steps. This is step one, step two, step three. Every time she jumps, every time she jumps, she takes 3 steps. One, two, three, and this is considered one jump. Like in one jump, she's old now. She's able to take only 3 steps in one jump. Had she been a little young, she would have taken 6 steps in one jump. But now she's very old. She's granny cat, and she just takes 3 steps. So she makes 3 jumps. If she makes 3 jumps, so where will she land up? Tell me, please. In one jump, she will take 3 steps. In another jump, she will again take 3 steps. One, two, three, and she will land up. She will stop where? She will stop on six because she will get tired, and she will take some rest on six. Again she will gain her energy, and she will take another jump. So what she will do? She will take another 3 steps as a tradition, and then she will land up on 9. Did you understand the story? Right? So when she took the first jump, she will land up on 3. When she took the second jump, when she took the second jump, when she took the second jump, she will at the end up on 6. And when she takes the third jump, she will land up where? She will end at 9. She will end at 9. Bhavesh, you have done this in third class also. Prajwal says that you children have done this in third class also. Yes, from jumps the table of 3. Yes, Abhiraj, ma'am, you homework like yeah. Bhavesh, this is not homework. I'm currently taking up an explanation for the subtopic, jumping animals, and now we will be moving forward. Okay, children, I will continue with this topic. Okay, let us take this 5 minutes and let them do a quick question. So children, the first phase to reach 27, right? So basically उन्होंने क्या देखिए रखा हुआ है? The last point यहाँ पे, the last point यहाँ पे, the frog reaches after taking certain number of steps. So we are given a task to find कि उसने कितने jumps किए. So where does he have to reach? He has to reach the number 27, and he knows that the frog jumps 3 steps at a time. The frog, the frog, the frog jumps. The frog jumps 3 steps each time. Each time. ये तो कोई सेम स्टोरी होगी ना, लाइक विद ईच चिकन, नंबर ऑफ चिकन. तो हम 27 को ब्रेक कर सकते हैं कि वो हर एक जंप में कितने स्टेप्स ले रहा है. तो ये स्टेप्स इन ईच जंप. तो जितने भी जंप्स को लेगा ना, दैट विल जहाँ पर भी वो पहुंचेगा, दैट विल बी a multiple of 3 only, because he is every time taking 3 steps. So he takes 3 steps each time. So 27 पे पहुंचने के लिए how many jumps will he need? So the number of jumps will be the total number of steps that he will take, that is 27, and the number of jumps he makes in the number of steps. The number of steps he walks in one jump. Number of steps he walks in one jump will be he takes 3 steps in one jump, right? So the number of jumps will be 27 by 3. That is in 9 jumps. In 9 jumps, in 9 jumps, in 9 jumps, he will reach 27 steps. Now, another question is, he has taken dash jumps if he is at 36. He has taken dash jumps. He has taken dash jumps if he is at 36. So now children, he is at 36. Which step he is at? He is at 36 steps. 36 steps. And we know every time the frog jump, he takes 3 steps. So 36 by 3. 36 by 3. 3 1 3. 0, 6. 3 2 6. 0, 6. So we want to know that in 12 jumps. So 12 jumps mean he will reach 36. Now another situation is if he takes 42, if he is at 42. I hope you got the answer children how we got the number of jumps to be 12 jumps. But you don't, Ananya Singh, you do not have to write it in your notebook. But if you have not written these answers in your textbook, you can write them in your textbook. Your textbook should be complete, children. Your textbook should be complete. Whatever we discuss in the class, it should be understood by you. Everything that we discuss in the textbook should be completed in the textbook. So children, we take the next case. We take the next case and it is said that if he is at the number 42, if the frog is at number 42, tell me how many jumps he has taken. So he has taken dash jumps. So we know that every time the frog jumps, he takes 3 steps. Every time the frog jumps, he takes 3 steps. 3 1 3 and 3. Okay, now dividing 42 by 3. And we divide 42. And we divide 42 by 3. What do we get? 3 1 3. 1 2. 3 4 12. The remainder is 0 is completely 2. Now children, what I want you to do is just go home when you are when the class gets over. You have to do complete practice time as your on page number 124. You do this practice time as homework. Okay, children. Thank you, children, for this lovely session. I got a positive response from you. You were so energetic this morning and you were so spontaneous in giving the answers. Thank you for this positive response and stay protected in COVID. Use sanitizers frequently. Wear a mask if you go out. Thank you, children. We'll continue this in the next session. And please complete your homework. हाँ बच्चे होमवर्क आप करके मुझे सेंड कर सकते हो. Bye, children.